Spike killer indicator will send you signal in your MT5. Okay, just select the pair, open a trade. You received boom 300 trade signal. Now it's time to open your trade. Stop loss is 4 candles only based on our spike killer system. So the market is going selling downward. We are holding our trade for spike as we received boom 300 signal. So this is how we trade using this indicator signals. So a lot of people ask me how to use this system in phone. So this is the main usage of this system in mobile phone or Android phone. Now here you guys can see we are waiting for a spike. Okay, we took this trade boom 300 buy based on signal we received from the system, and check it out, we are holding 2 trades for a spike. Once the spike appear, our trade will be in profit. Check it out guys, each and everything is front of you how actually it works. Accuracy of the system, check it out. Boom 300 buy we are holding. If you guys will want to get the system, chat us on Telegram. The link is in description. Okay. Yes, my dear friend, we are holding this trade. Look here, guys. After spike. So this is the accuracy of the system. 4 candle stop loss and after 2 candle it spike. Thanks for watching.